Hey guys, in this tutorial we are going to be painting this little boy robot. It is one of our Paint by Line products which can be purchased on our website at buildacross.com. The first color I am using is a color called Manatee Gray, and I'm painting the body of the robot this color. I'm going to go back and add some accent colors on the different little spots of him. The first one being these little gadgets for his hands. I am painting them a color called Florida Orange. Now I'm going to paint these little ears, and the color is called Amethyst. All of the colors I'm using today are Dixie Belle paint colors. Now I am painting the little bottoms of his feet, and the color I'm painting them is Tree Frog Green. Now we're going to paint these two little circles on the front of his body, and I'm painting them Honky Tonk Red. And this little center square, I am painting the color Mermaid Tail. And these two little dots for his eyes, I am painting black, which is the color called Caviar. All of Dixie Belle paints can be purchased on the website as well in our paint section. Now we're going to begin to fill in all of the etched lines, and I'm doing that with some slightly watered down black paint and a detailed brush. And as you can see, I've painted everything. Now I'm just starting to do the outlining process, and this gives everything separation and really starts to bring it to life. And here on the middle of his body, he's got this little, I guess, heartbeat line, or I don't know what it is, but instead of painting it black, I'm actually filling it in with a dark purple color. You can use different colors to do the outlines. I just prefer to stay with a dark color so that it really gives it some separation. Now we're going to use a painter's pen and go around the entire outside of the robot. And this will just complete the lines that we have already done on the inside. Now we're going to go beyond the lines. This is where I like to add accents and details that are not etched into the product for me. So the first thing we're going to be doing is taking a detailed paintbrush with some white paint. The color is called Cotton, and we're going to begin to just highlight different spots around the robot. I kind of just follow the lines that are already there and start to give it some highlights and just kind of look and see where I feel like it needs it. You can do this as light or as heavy as you would like, as little or as much as you would like. It depends on what kind of style you want. I like to pretty much add highlights and details everywhere, so I do a lot. Now I am going to take the bottom of this paintbrush that I'm using, and I'm going to dip it in my white paint and give the little eyeballs a glisten. And I'm putting the dots in different locations. That way he looks like his eyes are kind of going all crazy. Now I'm taking my black paint, the color Caviar, and I'm going back over a few of the spots that I highlighted with the white. I'm not going back over all the spots, but just a few here and there to give it a little more definition. Alright guys, after this we are done. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and share, and I will see y'all next time.